Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showcasing the Nerf Cyclone Shock. So, yeah. It says it shoots up to 90 feet. Has a 6-star mega barrel. And then you just pull this part right here and then it fires. Look at my here. Alright, sorry about that. Oops. Let's see. Alright, here's a good view. You'll see how far it shoots. Here we go. So we got this. The Nerf Cyclone Shock. You see, I like the design. This design right here. You just pull it back and it's smoothly. It doesn't really have to do anything. It's not hard or anything. It smoothly pulls back. Then it has a tactical rail right here. Aiming. And then, yeah. That's mostly it. And then the barrel, it rotates by itself. You pull it back, it's rotating by itself. And so yeah, you can see how much firepower this does. My Nerf rifle does more than this, but still. Alright, I'm gonna be standing at the very back, right there. Right there. You're gonna see how far I'm gonna shoot it. Alright, guys. I mean, y'all hear that? That's how hard it shoots. That's it. I wasted the whole drum. Let me go get the dice. I don't need to do it, but this will be really good. Hold on, let me get all the dice. Scattered. They're scattered. Alright, this is how I reload it. You see these drums right here, right? So basically there's 2 on each side. Get 2 bullets, pop them in like this, switch it again, and then pop another 2 bullets in. Like this. Oops. Jammed it. Almost jammed it. And I just need to do these 2 bullets next. I'm gonna go find them. Hold on, I'll be back. Back. I'm filling this drum. This gun is pretty good for a Nerf war. Sometimes it whistles, sometimes it doesn't. It's a pretty good gun though. And today, we're going to be showcasing a Nerf rifle. Hold on, let me go get it. I don't have anything prepared. Nerf rifle right here. thing's long. The Nerf rival Zeus, the XV700. I think it's a Nerf rival Zeus. I'm not too sure. This thing has a safety on it. That's how dangerous this thing is. If you can foam balls. Yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna stand from here, but this thing has some serious firepower. That's why it's so hard to pull this thing back. Well, sometimes you can, whenever I'm tired of it. Right? And ready? I'm not sure if it shoots way harder than the Nerf Cyclone Shock. Alright, so these are the two darts to shoot. The Cyclone Shock and the Nerf and the rival. So a dart versus a foam ball. It's pretty soft. But the gun makes it shoot hard, I think. It wouldn't hurt if we threw this one. And then there's a thicker dart than a normal, longer. And it's red. Yep, that's about it. This thing. So yeah. Then I'm gonna go get my other Nerf gun. They all have a different power rate. Some of them, they're kind of good. Again, they're not good. Alright, I'm gonna go get them. Well, never mind. I'm just... Sorry. Not for you to look. Alright, guys. Sorry, this is... You can look at my 8-ball for right now. Hold on, let me get something. Look at my 8-ball for now. Dang it, man. Right. I don't know what you can see right now, but I'm gonna use my guns. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And yep. Right. Nope. Not necessary for this video. Right. Dang it, jammed. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm done. Got it. Alright, guys, I'm done. Over here. Alright. You already know what these are. Move them to the side. This is the Nerf Big Shock. I don't have the darts for it, so I'm going to take one from the Cyclone Shock. So this is how hard it shoots. It does not shoot hard. Just so you know, this is sometimes broken. It does have whistling darts. It does shoot out of fire range though. Nerf Split Strike. Oh my gosh. Let me go get the darts. Nerf Split Strike. I'm gonna be putting one. It's two different. It's two different ones. All right, hold on.
Taking on me the blanket that's in the dryer.
Wait, hold on. I'll be back. I'm doing some chores. Right, I'm back. Nurse the straight. This is how far it shoots. I think on the box. Hold on. I'm good. On the box, I think it said it shot up to 80 feet? Something like that. I don't know. I forgot. So here we go. Here goes nothing. Yeah, it shoots pretty far. If I was standing back there, it probably would have shot at least right to the floor, right to the tiles. Next is the Nerf Regulator. I don't know how to pronounce it. This, whatever, the regulator, not the regulator, the elevator, I don't know. So this is how fresh it is. This is it, like, with no attachments. The attachments are in my room right now. So, right. Focus and fire. It does not shoot far compared to the other ones. It doesn't sound like it shoots hard either. But you could go rapid fire like this. And then just keep doing it really fast. Keep shooting, but I'm pretty sure that'll jam up the gun. Right. Alright. I'm gonna shoot this gun one more time, guys. And then that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna wrap it up by shooting this gun.